In today's video, I'm going to share a secret that many YouTubers are using to make their videos look and sound more polished. In fact, I've used the very same type of product for almost 5 years now, and it's really made a difference in how I present my content here on YouTube. If you've ever wanted to have a more professional presentation style on camera, this is a video you won't want to miss. If you're here on my channel for the first time, my name is Miguel Quiles. I usually create photography tutorials, gear reviews, and advice for creatives, but today I'm doing something a little bit different. I want to give you a behind the scenes look at something that I use to create my videos that can make your life so much easier if you decide that you want to do the same thing. Check this out. This is a teleprompter made by Fortinge, the Pro 17 model. And as you can see, everything that I'm saying on this video is showing up as text on this beautiful large screen. If you've ever watched me or any other tech YouTubers out there, you may wonder how it's possible that they can remember so much detail and can recall it quickly without the typical crutch words, the so's, you knows, things like that. They deliver the information quickly and concisely, and the secret to that is all in using a product like this teleprompter. For many years, I've been using this smaller teleprompter that requires me to use my phone. It's been handy, but the reality is that the screen is just a little bit too small to see the text clearly, and you end up having to keep the teleprompter close by so that you could read everything a little bit easier. The beauty of using a teleprompter like this one from Fortinge is that it has a built-in monitor and it includes the teleprompter software. It also includes the rails that you need to mount your camera and to make the entire system work. Fortinge also makes these foot pedals, which allow me to start, stop, speed up, or slow down the script that's on the screen without having to get up and to scroll backwards and forwards like I would have done using my smartphone teleprompter app. The teleprompter itself has a 17-inch screen with a 1280 by 1024 resolution. It has an HDMI, VGA, and AV connection for you to connect devices that run the teleprompter software. If you haven't seen something like this close up, it's almost like, I don't know, some kind of voodoo magic. The glass on the Pro 17 has a 70-30 beam splitter, which allows me on one side of the glass to see text, while it remains invisible to the camera that's recording on the other side. So that covers the teleprompter hardware, and with that you'll need software to display your script. For my own videos, I start off first by typing up my script using Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and then I copy and I paste it into the Prompter Studio software that actually comes with the Pro 17 teleprompter. There you can make adjustments to the text before going live, recording your next YouTube masterpiece. This is going to be my new setup moving forward as I prepare new content for all of you this year. If you have any questions about this or teleprompters in general, leave them for me in the comment section below. And hey, while you're there, why don't you show that like and that subscribe button who the real boss is by just smashing them without mercy. Okay, with that out of the way, check out one of the videos that you see here on the screen, and I will see you there.